Guys, it's day number 4 of VDUG vlog every day until Christmas. Drop a like because your boy made it 4 days in a row and our goal is 25 on Christmas Day. Enter the giveaway, cop yourself some merch in the description below. Merry Christmas, get this bread. Bro, we were just standing here talking about where is Matt, bro? We were just standing here talking about where's Matt. He is late. I feel like I haven't seen Matt in like a month. And we texted him on Monday saying, for the love of God, please come wash the vehicles on Friday. And it's like 10 o'clock and he ain't here yet. Me and Jordan were about to hit the call button to call Matt and fire him up. But lo and behold, 10 o'clock, here he is. Freaking late, boy.
Late, what do you think? I was just about to call your guy phone up. You are lucky, dude. We were just looking at him.
We were sitting there like, bro, where's your boy at?
Gotta wait till it's over 40 degrees to wash it.
Yeah, we're about to get the smoke. About to get the smoke. I missed you though. Hey, you look good.
Brad looks good.
I was about to cut you off and take it up there.
The black, what, the black one? All I'm saying is we tried to call somebody else 2 or 3 weeks ago and we got stood up. Yeah. So,
just because you were out of town.
Because you were out of town.
Just because I was out of town.
You probably called him and set it up. You probably told him, no, don't go back up there.
Hey,
you probably made him quit.
This morning?
Yeah, you probably made him leave. I need the wrap washed, Matt. Can you wash the wrap? It's not bad. I feel like all the dirt and stuff on it would make it scratch easy though.
Supposed to get some rain next week though.
You can like feel the
yeah, you can feel the grit on it.
Feel the grit on it, the dirt and the sand and whatnot. I feel like it'd scratch it easy. There's some imperfections on there. My paint's trash. I know. What?
Said that in front of a customer yesterday. Something about a 10 or 15 piece chicken nugget, and the word nugget just seemed super like sketch to me.
Jake's cutting in. Question: do you have a dark lens on here?
Yeah.
And do you also have the exposure turned down on the camera?
It's on auto, so it goes back and forth by itself.
Because you don't know that Alex dropped the camera.
No, I knew that already. That's why I said it. But I'm going to tell you this: that it did look clear in there for a second, and then it like the settings took it dark.
No, because it looks better that way because of the lighting.
Because it's me in the camera.
That was also super cringe. Jake's cutting in. That was. Did nobody else catch that?
Have you not watched Eastbound and Down?
No.
Oh, then you wouldn't understand.
So our diet is trash up here, obviously, and we said yesterday was going to be the last day, but Vic's coming up here and he wanted chicken wings, so we're probably eating chicken wings again today. So, customer brought some stuff up here.
No, you don't eat that either. Other one.
Yeah, those are oatmeal raisins.
Don't eat this.
That's not oatmeal raisin. It's chocolate chip.
Whatever.
I should break a piece off and try this.
No, you eat the other one first.
You like to break a piece off?
I break a piece off every now and then. Slice me off a piece of that.
You don't have a big piece of slice off. You keep on eating all that.
Bro, what is this?
It's either pork chops or cookies or chicken
Just
tenders.
bite it. It's so
Bro,
good.
I see a pecan in there, bro. These aren't chicken tenders.
Obviously.
I have never seen a chicken tender look that shaped.
But look at this though. It's like
Just eat it, dude.
It's adult chicken nuggets.
I'm like so scared.
Oh, not chicken for sure. Sweet.
It's crunchy.
It's good.
It looks like the dog poop off Step Brothers.
What is
I don't even know what it's called, dude. Mark called them lady fingers. I don't know.
lady
What
fingers?
kind of lady you been messing with?
My wife's family in Jersey makes those.
What is it in
They
Anchorman?
call them bird poop.
Ron Burgundy, you will lick dog poop.
That's on Step Brothers.
No, that's Ron Burgundy.
Oh, it's on Anchorman too.
Yeah, Anchorman. These aren't bad. Super dry. Like super dry. Just gonna make a mess.
If you don't get it and I don't get it, who's gonna get it?
Cut!
Answer a call on camera.
Southern Tire Mcdonough, this is Alex. How can I help you?
Well, you guys all understand, please.
You asked for Jake?
Alex.
Yes, sir. This is Alex. How can I help you?
Oh, yeah, this, it was all trying to see, what's the, estimated time when the tires come in and also tires on yesterday.
Haven't seen that delivery yet, but I'll call you as soon as I get them, okay?
Okay.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right, bye. Awkward. I was expecting this to be like soft and chewy, but it's not. I don't know what to do with my hands.
Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up? You doing all right?
Yeah, man.
Question for you.
What's up?
I'm filming for YouTube. Are there anything I should not do when cleaning this wrap? Like some kind of do's and don'ts?
Use Dawn dishwashing detergent unless you're using chemical guys and meticulous mat.
Is there's a specific soap that I shouldn't use?
Anything that got wax in it.
No wax or anything?
Then you're going to get Dawn dishwashing detergent. That's the safest bet. Instead of guessing on these other ones that you don't know.
Okay. Outside of the kind of soaps to use, there's kind of free reign?
What you mean?
Like there isn't like any kind of specific, you know, brushes or anything I shouldn't use?
Brushes, microfiber towels, and microfiber brushes. That's it. No bristles and stuff like that.
Okay.
Oh, whoops. I don't think we weren't supposed to do that.
Oh, wait, what?
My bad.
This is how you detail.
All right, I just want to call and make sure I'm about to have somebody wash it.
What if Jim's carrying?
Thank you for calling the office of the Speaker of the House, Nancy Pelosi. About you hearing from...
Great.
I don't even know how you get in this. Oh, you got steps. I forgot that you had steps. That's super inconvenient. Oh, I get the ride in the big boy today. Ooh. Some slight. You got more poke than I do, I think. 16 wides.
It's that real man poke.
The real man poke. Your food's up here. Come get it.
All right, Joe.
All right.
All right.
We got over here a burger. All right. That one's Matt's. That one's all the way. With over here Philly. Ooh, fire.
I can help you over here.
Can we just take a moment and talk about this stool over here?
We're not gonna talk about it. About 3 years so far.
Bro, this stool ain't got much left, bro. He ain't got much left, bro.
Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just...
Hey, who broke the,
Oh, what is... We got caught.
his face right now.
He gives a mean massage, man, every time he comes
Looks
in.
like it. I might have to get that.
It's not all he
You should
gives.
see the faces he's making at you right now. I bet it's a nice massage.
It actually does feel good, so I ain't hating the faces. I can't see it.
I'm kind of jealous.
Oh, you mean listen up a little bit?
When's my turn?
You can little hanky panky.
Okay, all right. Okay. What's Jimmy doing? Jim Jam.
You gonna bring her?
Huh?
You gonna bring her?
Why not? Yeah.
I'm gonna dress up in a snakeskin suit.
Snakeskin suit.
Yeah, and then how that looking.
Got the boy Vic out here today. Meat. What up, Meat? Got the boy Vic out here today. With that 10-inch FTS in the body lift, the 2616s and the Versa tires, the 39s. Always been a big fan of this. I never really liked the black on black lift kit and wheels, but I really do like Vic's truck. He's got that Cajun red 2616, the TIS wheels, and the FTS. Super nice, super nice. And then you got your boy Jim Jam, Forgiato Jimmy in the cut out here. He's hiding in the truck right now. He won't get out of the truck. I don't know why. He's probably looking at me filming him right now. Looking all stupid in there. I'm just kidding. I love you, Jimmy. Jimmy's got the opposite. He's got the 9 to 10-inch McGaughy's with the 3-inch body lift, 26x16s, and 40-inch Nittos. And Jimmy's got this kind of like blue and orange and black theme going on. Boy with the spinning center caps. Hey, look, I'm gonna expose him real quick. Look, Jimmy's got the FTS control arms with the McGaughy's lift kit, exposing my dude a little bit. I love Jimmy. Hey, look, I can't be too mad because look, Bread Gang, got the Bread Gang decal on there, showing love. Jimmy, I appreciate you. What are you doing? Jimmy's hiding in the truck.
Where's Too Tall at?
He's hiding in the truck.
He ain't in there.
Really?
No, he's not in there.
I don't know where he went though. He's not inside. Me! I've done a video like this before, but this is one of the only times you'll get to see like an FTS and a McGaughy's side by side to do a little comparison. Now Jimmy's got 40s, and so the FTS kit I think is a little bit taller anyway. Like if you put a 9-inch versus 9-inch, same size wheels and tires, same truck, I think the FTS is a little bit taller to be, in general. But I think Jimmy's truck sits a little bit taller because his is a true 40 instead of like a 39. And for whatever reason, I feel like his McGaughy's kit, no, because the FTS would sit taller, but they got the same body lift on it. So I do feel like Jimmy's is like maybe an inch taller because of the tires, but maybe it just kind of looks that way because of where they're sitting. And we were just talking about you the other day. You haven't been up here in like, it's probably been a month or two. Look, hold on. Yeah, thing back there. Thing back there looking all pretty. What you think of the wrap though? Leonard thinks it looks like a mustard stain.
Yeah, Dijon mustard stain.
I need to clean the
spicy brown mustard, buddy.
I need to clean the inside of the wheels, and I got.
Get a wrap now, man.
I got the hookup now. I got the hookup.
I just don't know what I want.
Alex, where's this go? The front of the
What color y'all think? It was one of the fronts. I don't remember which front it was, to be honest. What color y'all think we should put on the any level lift? I think some kind of red or something. Some kind of red, maybe?
red chrome.
Red chrome?
That motherfucker be hitting, boy.
With a big Bitcoin logo on the side? Yeah. Brandon would know.
I ain't calling Brandon.
Oh, I didn't even know you got the... Oh, that's cool.
Bitcoin Center Cup?
Yeah, when'd you get those?
I got those when I had the other one.
I thought they didn't fit.
I had to get some, Jake told me to go to Ace.
You get different screws? Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you got those done. That's so cool. This is still one of my favorite trucks. Always will be. Always will be.
Yeah, I was just in there defending you to Jake, buddy.
You haven't really been wearing these tires out either.
No.
You drive it a lot?
Drive it to Walmart, church.
Hey, on the
Look, all I'm saying is no matter what Jake puts together with this other any level lift, it'll never be the first one. It'll never be the first. Jimmy boy, whoa, look, come here. Jimmy, come here. Jimmy, come here.
Step one.
Jim Jam, let me see that neck, boy.
No, it's this neck.
Oh,
You done put that on it, boy.
Mosquito done got him.
The mosquito,
yeah, you need to stop wearing them turtlenecks. They've been messing with your neck, Jimmy.
Hey,
Jimmy, you go home, your mama fix a
no, you don't understand. Jimmy's in a relationship now. Jimmy's
Jimmy's
gone for love.
getting married.
It's cuffing season. And
Oh, you got a girlfriend now, Jimmy?
with it.
Dude.
Oh, we're gonna leave it alone then. Jimmy's got a girlfriend. Hey, yeah. I ain't got no wheel lights. Hey, rock lights tomorrow though. Eventually, when I'm not a broke boy. Broke boy.
I don't know where to. I don't know where the best place to. I don't know where the best place to put this is.
Oh yeah, that's one of the good ones though. Oh, this is one of the bigger ones. I don't make them. They're not this big anymore.
I know. That's what I'm saying. I've had this for like 6-7 months.
They're like half that size.
I just don't know where to put it at yet.
Got the boy Jimmy out here.
We gotta find a good spot to put it.
I need to get some lights, bro.
What about like on the hood? No, can't nobody see it. I want it to be somewhere for fire though.
In the back? What do you got on the
I got
back?
a work for it on the back. Which I need to take that shit off.
Can't get rid of the work for it.
I know, but
Can't get rid of the work for it. I don't know. No, don't put it on the truck. That's gonna put it on the truck. It's gonna get me. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Or I'll give you a small one and you can put it somewhere.
I don't even know where to put the small
The small one might be better. Put it in the corner down here, maybe. The small one might be better on the corner up front. Oh, Jimmy, hey, that's cool though, actually.
That's just gay as fuck.
That's actually really cool, Jimmy, that they're changing like that.
Everybody's not getting rich.
I need to get some lights. My goal tomorrow. Look, I can't forget Mikey out here too. Mikey's got all kinds of, look, I've never seen this done before. Mikey did this the other day. Did he show you this? Look,
panels?
yeah, he's got lights in the back panel back here in his.
Oh yeah.
That's freaking cool.
That is cool.
To match everything.
That's different.
I've never seen any of that before. Look, if you guys are following VDuck and you guys are following the daily videos, tomorrow you will see me get some rock lights. I'm bringing my rock lights to work and I'm finally gonna try and get my rock lights put on. So I'm not doing my wheel lights again because I've always had issues with the front wheel lights. So I'm not gonna do wheel lights again, but I'm gonna do at least 8 rock lights so I can show off some of the wrap at night. And Matt did come through and wash my wrap today and it looks freaking beautiful. I got the grill cleaned up, got the bumper cleaned up, all the windows cleaned up, so everything looks beautiful. Got my wheels cleaned up. I got the just everything clean and it looks nice. Tire shined, all that good stuff. We kind of messed up a little bit, you know, just newbies washing the wrap. I know that Odom's detailing is the best in the game, so he takes care of everything. But if I was washing it, 100% I would have messed the wrap up. And then the only other big exciting news that I have on the channel is I got to get some new headlights on the way. I had to throw these at O'Reilly's the other day because I didn't have any headlight bolts to go in these. So I got new high beams, low beams, and then I'm working on some new fog lights. So I've had these fog lights in here for like years, bro, and I'm having issues with them. I can't get them to turn on right now. So I'm gonna be swapping out the fog lights here soon. So you guys stay tuned. Got a lot of cool stuff coming to the channel. We're wrapping up day number 3. VDuck vlog every day until Christmas. Hit the like button, show some love to your boy. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.